Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. My name is Drew Ross, and I will be your instructor for UNI 220 Mindset Connections. I am very excited to start our semester this coming Tuesday, January 26 at 4:30 p.m. No matter how you're planning to attend the class, whether that be in person or via ASU Sync, I look forward to meeting you this coming week. Please make sure that you have time to review the syllabus and the course schedule, which has been posted to the Canvas site as well. And please make sure that you take a look at the video for week 1. You are expected to watch this very short video before attending class, and then you will also answer 3 questions after watching the video. This will be the process for each week. I will post a video that will be no more than 5 minutes in length, and then you will answer 3 quick questions. This will allow you to gain a little bit of knowledge of the topic that we will be talking about in class the following day. But please do make sure you review the syllabus and ask me any questions that you may have as we go into our first class this week. I also wanted to let you know that this is continuing to be a new reality for all of us. Whether this be your first time taking class via Zoom, or whether you be an old hat at it and now you have some experience. I will be teaching both in person in the classroom for those that wish to attend, and I also will be teaching in Zoom for those who wish to attend via ASU Sync. You are welcome to attend in whatever model that you feel the most comfortable, and that can certainly change over the course of the semester if you like. Please do just keep me updated with regards to how you plan to attend class so I can make sure that I am prepared. As you review the syllabus, I want to make sure that you pay attention to the policies regarding late assignments as well as the attendance policy. These are very important that you understand these, so to make sure that you review the syllabus, and we will talk about this more in our first class as well. Mindset Connections is going to provide you with information and resources to help you think about problem solving in a new way. Whether you are beginning your first semester here at ASU, or whether this be your second or third or even 4th, 5th semester at ASU, undoubtedly you will encounter problems throughout your time as a student. The goal of this course is to help you with the mindsets and resources that will allow you to attack each problem in a way that will allow you to solve the problem and help you proceed forward. These mindsets and these attributes are very important, not only for your school life, but also your personal life as well. So I look forward to exploring all of these mindsets as we continue with this course. Communications is very important. Please make sure that you communicate with me at any time throughout the semester. If you have any challenges regarding the course material, any questions about the assignments, if you do need to be absent for a class, or you are just wanting some more information, please make sure that you reach out to me. You can contact me via email, through Canvas, or you can make an appointment with me, and I would be happy to meet with you via Zoom or in person if you'd like. I am here to support you in your academic journey this semester, so please let me know how I can support you. Without further ado, I look forward to seeing you in class this week. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you soon.